Hey guys, this is John from VH1000 Technologies. Today we're going to talk about aluminum oxide and steel shots, and also demonstrate the power, the absolute and absurd power of steel shot blasting. So sandblasting and steel shot peening are similar, except that steel shots typically uses steel grit, while sandblasting we normally use like glass bead or aluminum oxide, maybe some ceramic bead. Like I said, today we kind of want to compare and contrast aluminum oxide with steel shot with this aluminum part. We're going to go with our 1000 Shot Blast. And we're going to go to our 2000 dry blast with aluminum oxide. Hey guys, and we're back. And in my hand we have the metal coupon. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this is a aluminum part. Right here on my right is the aluminum oxide. We use a 220. And right here is the steel shot. A steel shot machine is an essential tool when it comes to hardening parts. So it plays a crucial role in surface preparation. But if we look at this aesthetically, the aluminum oxide and the steel shot did a fantastic job at giving the surface a uniform finish. Something that I noticed while blasting, the power was just incredible. Enough where it actually, if you kind of notice, that it sort of has a little dip. So that definitely illustrates the power and force that it can do. It can actually bend metal, which is incredible. Which also, I have another example. Here's a very thin piece of metal, and again, a slight bend. That's the thing about the Shot Blast, is that it has an incredible amount of power that can sometimes easily can bend the metal just a little bit. So both Sandblast and Shot Blast provide a uniform surface finish and treatment, which is perfect for adding a new coating or a new paint to your parts. But Shot Blast can improve adhesion and increase the lifespan of your parts. Another important note about steel grit, it can induce compressive stresses. It can also enhance the part's fatigue resistance and toughness, making it a more durable part. So in industries like the automotive, the aerospace, and the manufacturing, Shot Blast machines are essential when it comes to producing high quality parts. If you want to learn more about steel shots or shot blasting, Ryan did 2 videos about this topic. You can find it right here. Like I said, thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about not only steel shot, but sandblasting, wet blasting, hydroblasting, you can call us at 828-202-5563. You can also check out our website at VH1000Technologies.com. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, TikTok. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.